Hello everyone, welcome to my FPV journey. Today in this video I am going to show you a mat that I bought from Amazon. I'll be using this mat to solder circuit board. I bought some practice circuit board as well. Maybe later in future I'll show how to solder, or I'll show the video like how I'm practicing to solder a circuit board, and those skills will be required to build your own FPV drone. But let me go ahead and show this mat. This is a pretty big mat than the one I looked online. Okay. Here. So let's see. This mat is like 14 by 14 inch by 22. So pretty decent size. I don't like the small one that I found online, so this is the biggest size I found it. If I have to measure with some other thing, here, it's like this big, the size of a seizure, and it's this much in like the thickness. So let's say, I don't know how this will be, but there's a scale here as well. If you can see, there's a inch measurement, and there's a mm measurement here as well, millimeter or centimeter. But yeah, something I wanted to share with you guys that I recently bought it. Thank you.